Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Alif bin Muhammad Faizal. My matrix number is AA201088. I am from Group 2. Now, I am going to start my presentation about the PBS project of Algebra. So, firstly, what can we understand about the implementation of PBS project? Problem-based learning or PBL is an approach where students try to find the solutions to a driving question that based on a real-world challenge. This approach requires students to actively investigate and explore significant content and learn skills that are crucial to the process of answering driving questions. In addition to course content, PBL also can promote the development of critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and the communication skills. So for this PBL, we have to solve two questions of algebra related to our life, and the solution of these PBL questions are divided into several ways, which are: first, we need to do a research to define the problem from the question given, and second, we need to discuss with our group members to solve the PBL questions, where each person come up with an idea for a solution. After that, we list all the ideas in the filler table because it really helps to organize our learning process and help us understand about the concepts in the topic. So, how do you think the filler table can help us to solve the problem in the PBS project? And what is the meaning behind of the filler table? Let me explain about it.
Which F is facts from the trigger, I is for the ideas from your group understanding about the facts, and L for learning outcome or learning needs. Lastly, A is mean action that must be taken, including meeting and discussion, list of inferences, list of difficult terms and meaning related to the subject.
Next, my friends going to explain about filler table and show how to solve the questions. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Algebra Pbl Group and my matrix number is AA200445. Today I would like to present about filler table from question 1. The facts that I get from question 1 is: number 1, me and my friend want to start an online clothing business. Number 2, both of us has 4 new members. Number 3, each as downline or as the second generation. Number 4, each generation is able to get 4 new members. The idea from question 1. Number 1, want to generate incomes. Number 2, learn on how to manage the business. Number 3, looking for members to grow the business. Learning issues from question 1. Number 1, how to do online marketing. Number 2, how to find good clothing supplier. Number 3, how to convince people to join our business. Surfing the internet. Second, do research in Algebra book. Last one, discussion with group members.
My name is Ahmad Syahidi bin Rosli. My matric number is AA200106. Today, I would like to talk about my filler table for question 2. For the facts, first, my brother is in secondary school. Second, he wants to buy a new iPhone. Third, that iPhone costs 999 ringgit. Fourth, he saved 150 ringgit on his first month. And the last, every month I give him 50 ringgit. And the next is ideas. First, he wants to buy a new iPhone for himself. Second, he learned to save his money to buy a new phone. And the last, he learned to spend his money tactfully. Next, for learning issues. First, why do a secondary student need a handphone? Second, how does he plan his saving to buy an iPhone? Third, how a secondary student spend his money. And the next, resources we need. We have made some search on internet. We do research in Algebra book. And the last, we made a discussion with group members.
So based on question 1, you and your friends want to start an online clothing business because the COVID-19. Both of you have 4 members, each as downline or as second generation. You'll be able to get 4 new members from each generation. So the answer for question 1, diagram of members from the first generation to the 4th generation online clothing business. So black as first generation, red as second generation, yellow as third generation, and the blue one as 4th generation. So the difference between T2 and T1 is 6. The difference between T3 and T2 is 24, and the difference between T4 and T3 is 96. Secondly, we have to find the ratio between T2 and T1, and the answer is 4. 32 and 8, as known as T3 and T2, and the answer is also 4. Progression is geometric since ratio of second to first and third to second is the same.
Because the difference between each one are the same. I think that's all for us. Thank you.